हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू दिस न्यू वीडियो ऑफ यारी विद आरी चैनल। आज मैं आप लोगों को अपनी रॉयल एनफील्ड का फुट रेस्ट चेंज करने का तरीका बताऊंगा। यू कैन यूज़ द सेम प्रोसेस फॉर ऑल बुलेट्स, फॉर ऑल एनफील्ड्स, to change your footrest for any side, maybe left side or right side. It's the same process. So as you can see that I had this footrest over here, but I had a small accident a few days back and it got broke off, so I bought a new one. So what I need to do now is change this footrest. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing which you are going to see is you are going to see a small clip at this end. इस जगह आपको एक क्लिप दिखाई देगी. You have to take this out in order to get this nut out to fix your footrest. So it's very easy how to do that. You just need a screwdriver like the one I have, or you can have a simple screwdriver as well, and you need to make sure that you get this screwdriver in between that clip and try to push it out. थोड़ा सा इसको रोटेट करेंगे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू पुश इट फर्दर डाउन सो दैट ये मेरा जो क्लिप है ये पूरा बाहर आ जाए. मेक श्योर यू डू इट जेंटली because this screw is something which is very delicate. You don't want to break this, otherwise you have to buy a new one. So you have to make sure that you do this gently. आप देख रहे होंगे जैसे धीरे धीरे ये क्लिप मेरा बाहर आ रहा है. So I am going to take this clip out even further the whole way gently. अब हम इसको आराम से बाहर निकाल लेंगे. और जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये मेरा क्लिप है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्लिप it actually holds this screw in, otherwise if this clip is not there it will come out. So we will take all the parts out. So right now we have a bolt, a spring and this clip which we need. अगर इसमें से कोई भी पार्ट आप लोगों का टूट गया है या खो गया है then you have to buy a new one. So right now fortunately I have all these three. I just broke the footrest, so we are going to change that. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to take the footrest, the new footrest, and we are going to make sure that we have this RE symbol written over here. So we will make sure that this RE is upright, just to make sure that the footrest is in the same or in the correct alignment. Then we are going to take the spring back, put this spring inside. जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेरा ये फुटरेस्ट वापस लग गया है. मेरी स्प्रिंग भी एकदम सही काम कर रही है. So I have installed my footrest back. Now I just have to put my this clip back so that the screw doesn't the bolt doesn't come out. Now this is a little tricky part. Getting the clip out is a little easy, but getting it back in is a little difficult because you don't want to apply too much force, otherwise it might break, and you don't want this to go loose because it is very important that this bolt should stay in place. So here what we are going to do is we are going to gently, by holding it from one end, by using the screw again, we will try to push it again, this time inside. हम लोगों के दोनों ये आप देखेंगे, लेट मी ब्रिंग इट अ लिटिल बिट मोर क्लोज। तो ये जो आप दोनों एंड देख रहे हैं, ये दोनों एंड अब मेरे इसके ऊपर चढ़ चुके हैं, विच मीन्स दैट इट इज़ on the bolt. Now I have to gently, you can use a hammer like this, or you can use something just to gently push it in. धीरे धीरे इसको हम लोग फिट करते हुए बोल्ट में पहनाएंगे जब तक कि ये पूरी तरह से ऊपर नहीं चला जाता है। दोस्तों अब मेरा ये जो रिंग है, जो क्लिप है, ये मेरा पूरी तरह से बोल्ट पे चढ़ गया है। एंड जस्ट टू मेक श्योर मैं बोल्ट को चेक करूँगा कि ये बाहर तो नहीं आ रहा है। एंड यू कैन सी दैट इट इज़ टाइटली सिक्योर्ड, इट्स नॉट कमिंग आउट, एंड माई फुट रेस्ट इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग। So there you have it. So this is how you can get your footrest change on your Royal Enfield Bullet. Thank you दोस्तों for watching this video once again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give your comments and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks again from the Yari with Ari family.